Good evening YouTubers, Railroad Mark here. Just a little update on a new purchase. I had some money for Father's Day. I wanted to buy another locomotive and I've been fancying one of these tank engines, one of the larger tank engines. So I went on eBay and I found this guy sitting there for $100. So I thought, what a great buy. Snuggled it up. It looked like it was in mint condition, and when I got it home, it was in mint condition. You can see the box is in fantastic condition. No problems with the box. A little bit of information on the box. It's got serial number of R3463, BR delivery, class 52XX, and running number is 5231. And it is DC ready, so I did have to put a chip into it. Now you had to use a mini chip. You couldn't use any of the bigger sizes. It had to be a small chip, and you had to actually put the small chip inside the boiler here. There's a space in there for you to actually put the chip in, so you had to actually get the small chip to fit into that little space there. I did have a little bit of problem starting with, a bit of rubbing noise going on in there, so I think the chip wasn't in far enough and the wires weren't up high enough or something. I was making a bit of a rubbing noise, so after a few attempts of playing around with the chip, I actually got it in and running perfectly. I'll just bring my little new locomotive into view here. Now, one thing I did notice with this locomotive, that it's a slow runner. Now, what I mean by slow runner, at full pace, it's going at virtually walking pace. And I think this is all due to the gearing on the locomotive and those tiny little driving wheels, those 8 little tiny driving wheels. Now I've got a 9F locomotive. It's got the driving wheels, but this locomotive is smaller. I've got a couple of GTUs and a pannier tank locomotive. All their driving wheels are smaller than these ones, so that would be giving the gearing why it runs so slow. But it's a fantastic little locomotive, and even on the box it was classified as an 8F. I think it's at the back of the box there, an 8F locomotive. So in real life it had pretty good pulling capacity. I do believe it was used on mainly coal trains, on very steep gradients, and that's so gathered why the small driving wheel, so it could actually manage heavy loads up steep gradients. So that's it for me, Mark. I'll just give the locomotive a little run. I'll show you at flat out speed. I'll get it lined up. It's winding up now, just on because I've got the DCC control, I've got it lined up, but that's about it now. She's running about full pace, believe it or not. That's it. That's as fast as she goes. But yet, very, very smooth little runner. There she goes. What a beautiful little locomotive. So I hope you enjoyed that. That's highly recommend this little locomotive. It's a great little runner, smooth as silk when it runs. That's her going around the track. What a fantastic buy. I love it. Well, that's it for me, Railroad Mark, over and out. I hope you enjoyed that. My little review on the 52XX class locomotive. Hope you enjoyed it.